Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Jadesola Samuel. I'm here today to do a wash and go on screen for you guys. This will be my first time trying a wash and go, and I'm kind of nervous to see how it turns out, but then again, I'm not really going anywhere, so if it turns out bad, I can just wash it out. But yeah, and if you're new here and you want to grow your hair, you want to learn tips on how to manage your hair, take care of your hair, I would encourage you to subscribe, because I'm going to be posting a lot more content about like hairstyles, hair creation. I said hair creation, but you get what I mean. So I would encourage you to actually subscribe and like turn on notifications so you know when I post. Yeah, so we're just gonna go into it. I washed my hair. If you haven't seen my wash day routine, I will link it in like the iCard, so you can just click it after watching this video, or I mean you can click it before watching this video, so you can like do the wash day routine and then do the wash and go. So you can just, I mean, feel free to do what you want actually. So yeah, you can watch that. And then the only thing that changed is I used a different deep conditioner. I used the TGIN Thank God It's Natural Honey Miracle Mask, and it's really nice. It smells really nice too. So yeah, that's the only thing that changed from my wash day routine that I posted. But yeah, I'm not going to talk too much. Let's do this. I'm nervous, but we'll see. Okay, hey guys, voiceover Jade is stepping in for the rest of this video. So I'm just taking my Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream, and I'm just rubbing that in my palms to warm it up, and then I'm just going to put it all over my hair in no particular order or anything like that. I'm not putting my hair into sections or massaging it in, because I'm trying to avoid flaking and a white cast on my hair. So yeah, I'm just rubbing it in, massaging it into my whole head at one time. And then I'm just taking a section at the back of my hair, and then I'm going to be using raw shea butter. I'm just taking a little bit of that, rubbing it on in between my palms, and then rubbing it on my hair so that it melts into my hair. And as I'm doing this, I'm also trying to like detangle and get rid of any like coils, or get rid of tangles and knots and stuff in my hair. Although I did detangle before I started this process, but I'm just making sure that my hair is ready to work with. And now I'm taking my Eco Styler gel, the olive oil version, and then I'm just going to be taking a smaller section from that back section, and then I'm going to be working the gel through my hair. I'm just raking it through, rubbing it in, you know, trying to get my coils to clump together and separate. And I'm also just slightly like detangling as well as I'm going, just so I get rid of any knots. And now what I'm doing is I'm just putting finger coils in my hair, because that part seemed to not want to define properly, so I was just trying to define it with finger coils, or I don't know if I would call this shingling method, but I don't really know the terminology for all of this stuff. So yeah, I'm done with that small tiny section. I decided to do a section in the front so that you guys could see what I was doing better, and I'm just going to zoom you guys in so that you see it better, and just repeat the same steps that I was doing before. So again, I'm taking the shea butter, I'm going to put it in my palm just to melt it and warm it up, and then I'm going to rub it into my hair. And as I'm rubbing it into my hair, I'm also detangling, getting rid of every kind of knot in my hair. Now I'm just taking a smaller section from that section in the front, and I'm just doing the same thing, putting some gel on my hair and raking it through, trying to define my curls. And now I'm just repeating that same shingling / finger coil method, although I didn't need to do as much in the front of my hair because my curls are much more cooperative in the front of my hair. And yeah, I'm just done with the back section, and this is what it's looking like, looking pretty white, and I'm a bit nervous, although I do like the results. And I'm just showing you guys one last front section before I come back. And this is what the completed hair looks like. It's very white, very casty, and I missed a spot on my head, but it's fine. I wasn't really expecting it to be like super defined, so this actually worked out fine for me. This is my nervous face, not knowing how it's going to turn out. And this is after it's mostly dried, so most of the white cast and all that stuff has gone. Just the front section of my hair is still kind of the wettest part because that's the last part I did. But yeah, my coils are looking really cute and shiny. It's a bit crunchy, but it's all good. And yeah, this is just a full view of my head, my whole head after everything has mostly dried. The white cast is pretty much gone, and I'm actually kind of impressed. Okay, hey guys, so this is the final look. Well, not really final look, but it's like my hair's like 80% dry. I sat under my dryer attachment thing for like 30 minutes, and then I air dried for the rest of the time while I was doing my makeup. But like this part, the top part, was the last part that I did, so it's pretty much still pretty wet. My hair did come out crunchy, like yeah, but I kind of expected that, and I don't really mind because this is only going to last me, like I'm not going to wear this for that long. Probably just going to leave it for the week, and even during that week I'm probably just going to be spraying water on my hair. And yeah, I don't mind it. I don't mind how it came out, but the process, it took me about 2 hours to like, you know, rake stuff through my hair and like do finger curls on like some of the curls that were still kind of frizzy. So therefore, yeah, it's a long thing. Okay, it's actually a long process. It's a pretty long process, but I mean, I do like it. I do like it. Like, look at the little boings over here and stuff. Yeah, but like my curls are not like super defined. I didn't really expect that because my hair is like for Z, and I said Z, not C, Z, because my hair is blessed. Let me put it that way. Oh, don't mind my makeup brushes. Like I just did my makeup and left it there. So yeah, it's the final look. Yeah, I mean, for a first time it's not bad, but like I could definitely use some tips on like good techniques that could help my life in future. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will see you guys again next week by God's grace. look forward to my content. Look forward. It's gonna get better. We're gonna get better, okay? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.